Download EZ Antivirus. Computer Associates EZ Antivirus is a great antivirus solution. It runs a thorough scan, and even keeps a low profile, allowing you to continue working while it scans your computer for threats. According to the CA website, it comes with a $1,500 virus protection plan. If it is installed properly and you still have PC failure due to a virus, you have a warranty for up to $1,500 in hardware and software services. And considering that CA allows you a free fully functional trial version prior to buying it, you can't go wrong. Here is how to download EZ Antivirus. You will need to visit the CA website to buy a copy of EZ Antivirus, or click here to download the trial version. Since they work the same and you are likely to get a promo coupon if you evaluate the trial version, let's go through that registration. You need to fill out customer information. This is basic information: your name, country, email, and a password. Your password must be at least 4 characters, and just be numbers or letters, no dashes or periods or anything. This will just be used to send you a link to download the program. You won't get spammed. Now go check the email you signed up with. You will receive an email from CA thanking you for your order and a link that says, "Click here to download your trial software." It will also give you an upgrade offer for 2 products together for a discounted price. Mine was for CA Antivirus and CA Anti-Spyware for $49. Anti-Spyware is a great product to have to complement your antivirus software, as it will catch adware and spyware, while they, most of the time, will not destroy your computer. They will slow down the performance of your computer and will compromise the security of your computer. There is also a free trial version of CA Anti-Spyware if you would like to try it out before you buy it. Click on the link in the email to download the software. You will see a green button that says "Download Now." Click that button. You will likely get a screen asking you what to do with the file. You should save it to your computer. The desktop is a good place for now. Important: do not close this window. In fact, if possible, print out this page. It contains the license key that will let you use the software, as well as installation instructions. Before you install EZ Antivirus, you will have to uninstall any other antivirus program. If you have to restart your computer in order to complete that uninstallation, Especially make a point to print out the page that has the license key and installation instructions. Install the program. Find the icon for the EZ Antivirus installation program you saved to your desktop, or other spot on your computer. Double-click on it, and you will be guided through the steps to install the program. That's it. You have successfully downloaded EZ Antivirus. Be sure to run a virus scan immediately, and schedule regular scans in order to keep your machine up and running. Also consider the rest of the EZ Internet Security Suite. A good firewall, anti-spyware, and spam filters are really recommended to keep your system healthy. Required tools: Internet access caution. You will need to uninstall any other antivirus software you have on your system before you install EZ Antivirus Software. Quick tips: be sure to print out or write down your license key. Consider buying the rest of the EZ Internet Security Suite. Useful links: where to buy EZ Antivirus Software, where to download a fully functional trial version.